There are loads of great features on the InTouch website, but there must be a few that you may not know about that could actually save you lots of time. So I'm going to run through a few of those now just so you'll be up to speed with everything. Now the first one is the Quick Add tool, which is up here. Now this is really useful if you work in purchasing and you have a list of products you want to get, or maybe you're working on a tender but you don't want to scroll through lists and lists of products looking for codes and information. You just want to do it as quickly as possible. Now if you click on here, you can actually add up to 50 products in one go just by entering in their code and a quantity next to them if you want more than one. So I have a list here that I'm going to put in. I'm also going to add one that I know is an incorrect one just to show you what happens. So there we are. I'm going to add those to my basket. And you can see it's flagged up that bottom one in red, and at the top here it says the top 4 have been successfully added to the basket, but that one product couldn't be found. So at that point, if that was a product code that you had, you'd have to go back and double check it. The second feature I'm going to tell you about is Notify Me. Now this is a really nifty little feature that allows you to keep your finger on the pulse of a particular product. So just click onto this. Now for the iPad I have up on the screen, there are 101 in stock. Now maybe a customer of yours has indicated they might be interested in around 50 iPads at some point. So you could possibly set this to notify you when the stock level falls below 75. So then you would receive an email letting you know there are only 75 in stock, which would really give you a nudge to contact your customer and ask if they still want the 50 iPads. You might also like to set a price notification, and of course you can change that from within 30 days, 60 days to 120 days. So again, you'll get an email if there are any price changes. So once you've decided what parameters you want to set, then all you need to do is click Save. This means you don't have to log on daily and monitor everything yourself, but you will get an email straight away so you can be ahead of the game. The third feature I want to tell you about is virtual environments. Now, as a vendor, you sell to all sorts of end users. Well, this tool really helps you open up opportunities in the public sector. So if you just click onto the virtual environments tab, this will take you to our VE Hub. Now here you can see we have a virtual classroom, hospital, office and server room. So this really gives you a completely different user experience to see what products will be perfect in this environment. So if I click onto virtual hospital, we can see all the different products as they're highlighted in yellow that are available through Tech Data. You can go to the consulting rooms and again see the products we offer, and they all give you an idea of the best products that would work in this environment. We can go back to the waiting room and maybe head to the wards and again see the type of products that could be in your top pick. So if I click onto one of these, that's desktops, we have a little look down and maybe click onto monitors, and I can see which vendors we have monitors from, so click onto HP. And here we can see a selection of monitors from low level spec, medium to high. If you want a little bit more information, you can always click onto more info and that'll give you a little bit more detail. It's a really great feature, not only for you, but for you to share with your customers as well. So those are just a selection of the great features we have on the website. Please do take some time to explore the other little gems for yourself.